Are you struggling to climb stairs without feeling winded? Finding it harder to get up from your favorite chair? If you're over 60 and noticing your legs aren't what they used to be, you're not alone. Every single day, thousands of seniors lose precious muscle mass and strength in their legs, putting them at risk for dangerous falls and loss of independence. But here's what the medical establishment doesn't want you to know. There are 8 specific vitamins that can dramatically boost your leg strength, and most seniors are severely deficient in at least 5 of them. These aren't expensive supplements or miracle cures. These are scientifically backed nutrients that your body desperately needs, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which ones to take, how much, and when to take them for maximum leg strength results. But first, let me tell you why this matters more than you think. According to the National Institute on Aging, muscle mass decreases by 3 to 8% per decade after age 30, and this loss accelerates dramatically after 60. Your leg muscles, being the largest muscle group in your body, are hit the hardest. This isn't just about feeling weak. Weak legs are the #1 predictor of falls in seniors, and falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in people over 65. The statistics are sobering. 1 in 4 seniors falls each year, and every 11 seconds, an older adult is treated in an emergency room for a fall-related injury. But here's the shocking part. Most of these falls could be prevented with proper nutrition and targeted vitamin supplementation. The research is clear, but somehow this information isn't reaching the people who need it most. So what's really happening in your leg muscles as you age? It's not just about getting older. Your muscles are literally starving for specific nutrients that become harder to absorb and utilize as you age. Your digestive system becomes less efficient, your metabolism slows down, and your body's ability to convert food into usable energy decreases. This creates a perfect storm of muscle weakness and loss of strength. Think about it this way. Your leg muscles are like a high-performance engine, and vitamins are the premium fuel that keeps them running smoothly. When you're deficient in these key nutrients, it's like trying to run a Ferrari on watered-down gasoline. The engine sputters, loses power, and eventually breaks down. Now, before we dive into these 8 game-changing vitamins, I need to address something important. Many seniors are taking generic multivitamins thinking they're covering all their bases. But here's the brutal truth. Most multivitamins contain synthetic versions of these nutrients in doses that are far too low to make any meaningful difference. It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. You need specific, targeted amounts of the right forms of these vitamins to see real results. Let's start with vitamin #1, vitamin D3. This isn't just important for bone health, it's absolutely crucial for muscle function. Your muscles have vitamin D receptors, and when these receptors don't get enough of this vital nutrient, your muscles literally can't contract properly. Here's what's happening at the cellular level. Vitamin D3 helps your muscles absorb calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions. Without enough vitamin D3, your muscles can't generate the force needed for strong, powerful movements. This is why so many seniors feel weak and unsteady on their feet, especially during winter months when vitamin D3 production naturally decreases. The recommended dose for seniors is 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily. But here's the kicker. You need to take it with fat for proper absorption. This means taking it with a meal that contains healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Most people take it wrong and wonder why they don't see results. Vitamin #2 is B12, and this one's a game changer for seniors. Your nervous system controls your muscles, and B12 is essential for healthy nerve function. When you're deficient in B12, the signals from your brain to your leg muscles become weak and inefficient. It's like having a bad phone connection where the message gets garbled or lost entirely. The problem is that as you age, your stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. This is why so many seniors feel weak and off balance even when they're eating a healthy diet. For optimal leg strength, Seniors need 100 to 500 micrograms of B12 daily, preferably in the methylcobalamin form, which is better absorbed than the cheaper cyanocobalamin form found in most supplements. Take it sublingually under your tongue for maximum absorption. Vitamin number 3 is often overlooked but absolutely critical, vitamin K2. While K1 helps with blood clotting, K2 is essential for muscle function and strength. It works synergistically with vitamin D3 to ensure calcium goes where it's supposed to go, in your bones and muscles, not in your arteries where it can cause problems. The recommended dose is 100 to 200 micrograms daily, and you'll find K2 in fermented foods like natto, sauerkraut, and aged cheeses. If you're supplementing, look for the MK7 form, which stays in your system longer. Now let's talk about vitamin number 4, vitamin C. You might think of vitamin C as just for immune support, but it's absolutely crucial for muscle strength. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and collagen makes up about 10% of your muscle tissue. Without adequate collagen, your muscles become weak and prone to injury. But here's where it gets interesting. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron, which is essential for delivering oxygen to your muscles. When your leg muscles don't get enough oxygen, they fatigue quickly and can't generate the power you need for activities like climbing stairs or walking long distances. The optimal dose for seniors is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, split into 2 doses because vitamin C is water-soluble and your body can't store it. Take it with food to avoid stomach upset, and choose a buffered form if you have a sensitive stomach. Vitamin number 5 is where things get really interesting. Vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant protects your muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. Every time you use your muscles, you create oxidative stress, and without adequate vitamin E, this stress accumulates and weakens your muscles over time. The key is taking the right form. Natural vitamin E, D-alpha tocopherol, is much more effective than synthetic versions. The optimal dose is 400 to 800 IU daily, taken with a meal containing fat. Vitamin number 6 might surprise you. Vitamin A. Most people think of vitamin A as important for vision, but it's also crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Your muscles are constantly breaking down and rebuilding, and vitamin A helps ensure this process happens efficiently. The recommended dose is 3,000 to 5,000 IU daily, but be careful not to exceed 10,000 IU as vitamin A can be toxic in high doses. Beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, is a safer option for long-term use. Vitamin number 7 is often called the forgotten B vitamin. Folate. This nutrient is essential for DNA synthesis and cell division, which means it's crucial for muscle repair and growth. When you're deficient in folate, your muscles can't repair themselves properly after use, leading to progressive weakness. The synthetic form, folic acid, isn't well absorbed by many seniors, so look for methylfolate or folinic acid instead. The optimal dose is 400 to 800 micrograms daily, and it works best when taken with other B vitamins. Finally, vitamin number 8, biotin. This B vitamin is essential for energy metabolism, helping your body convert food into usable energy for your muscles. Many seniors are deficient in biotin, leading to muscle weakness and fatigue. Biotin also helps with the synthesis of fatty acids, which are important for muscle cell membranes. The recommended dose is 30 to 100 micrograms daily, and it's best absorbed when taken with other B vitamins. Now, here's the critical part that most people miss. These vitamins work synergistically. Taking them individually might help, but taking them together in the right ratios creates a multiplicative effect. It's like having an orchestra where each instrument is important, but the magic happens when they all play together in harmony. Let me share a real example. Margaret, a 72-year-old woman barely able to walk up a flight of stairs without stopping to rest. Her doctor said it was just part of aging, but her blood work showed she was deficient in 6 of these 8 vitamins. After 3 months of targeted supplementation, she was not only climbing stairs easily, but had started taking dance classes again. The transformation wasn't just physical. Margaret told me she felt more confident, more independent, and more like herself again. That's the power of giving your body the nutrients it needs to function optimally. But timing matters too. These vitamins are most effective when taken at specific times of day. Fat-soluble vitamins like D3, K2, A, and E should be taken with your largest meal of the day for maximum absorption. Water-soluble vitamins like B12, C, folate, and biotin can be taken on an empty stomach, but are gentler on the stomach when taken with food. Here's a simple schedule that works for most seniors. Take your fat-soluble vitamins with breakfast or lunch, and your water-soluble vitamins with dinner. This ensures optimal absorption and utilization throughout the day. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. But let me put this in perspective. The average cost of a fall-related injury in seniors is over $30,000. A high-quality vitamin regimen costs less than $100 per month. That's like buying insurance for your independence and quality of life. But not all supplements are created equal. Many seniors waste money on cheap, poorly absorbed vitamins that don't deliver results. Look for third-party tested supplements from reputable manufacturers. Check for certifications like NSF, USP, or GMP, which ensure quality and purity. Also, avoid supplements with unnecessary fillers, artificial colors, and preservatives. Your body doesn't need these chemicals, and they can actually interfere with absorption of the nutrients you're trying to get. Let me address some common concerns. Can I get these vitamins from food alone? While a healthy diet is important, it's extremely difficult for seniors to get optimal amounts of these vitamins from food alone, especially given the decreased absorption that comes with aging. Supplementation bridges this gap effectively. Are there any side effects? These vitamins are generally safe when taken in the recommended doses. However, if you're taking blood thinners, you should consult your doctor before starting vitamin K2. Similarly, if you have kidney disease, you should monitor your vitamin D levels regularly. How long before I see results? Most seniors start noticing improvements in energy and strength within 2 to 4 weeks, with maximum benefits typically seen after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent supplementation. Remember, you're rebuilding muscle strength, not just masking symptoms. Here's something else that's crucial. These vitamins work best when combined with appropriate exercise. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. Simple resistance exercises using your own body weight. Resistance bands or light weights can dramatically amplify the benefits of these vitamins. Think of it this way. The vitamins provide the raw materials for muscle strength, but exercise provides the signal for your body to use those materials effectively. It's like having the best building materials in the world, but no construction workers to use them. Even 15-20 minutes of targeted leg exercises 3 times a week can make a tremendous difference. Simple exercises like chair squats, calf raises, and leg lifts can be done safely at home and provide the stimulus your muscles need to grow stronger. Now, let's talk about monitoring your progress. Keep a simple log of your daily activities and energy levels. Note how easily you can climb stairs, how long you can walk without fatigue, and how steady you feel on your feet. These improvements often happen gradually, so tracking helps you see the progress you're making. Some seniors also benefit from periodic blood tests to monitor their vitamin levels. This isn't necessary for everyone, but if you have absorption issues or are taking medications that affect nutrient absorption, it can be helpful to track your levels objectively. Here's a warning about what not to do. Don't wait until you're experiencing serious mobility issues to start addressing muscle weakness. Prevention is always easier than treatment. If you're over 60 and haven't been paying attention to your leg strength, now is the time to start. The science is clear. These 8 vitamins can significantly improve leg strength in seniors when used properly. But knowledge without action is useless. The question is, what are you going to do with this information? Some of you will bookmark this video and forget about it. Others will research these vitamins for weeks, but never actually start taking them. But a few of you will take action today, and you'll be the ones who maintain your independence and quality of life as you age. Your legs carry you through life. They've taken you everywhere you've ever been and experienced everything you've ever done. Don't you think they deserve the best nutrition possible? Don't you think you deserve to feel strong and confident on your feet? The choice is yours. You can accept muscle weakness as an inevitable part of aging, or you can give your body the tools it needs to stay strong and vital. These 8 vitamins are those tools, and now you know exactly how to use them. Start with a high-quality supplement that contains these 8 vitamins in the right forms and doses. Combine it with simple leg exercises and a healthy diet. Monitor your progress and adjust as needed. Most importantly, be consistent. Results come from daily action, not occasional efforts. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today. Will you choose strength and independence, or will you accept weakness and dependence? The power is literally in your hands. If this video has helped you understand the importance of these vitamins for leg strength, please share it with other seniors who could benefit from this information. Hit the like button if you're ready to take action on your leg strength today, and subscribe for more evidence-based health information for seniors. Remember, strong legs equal a strong life. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, and you have the power to make a difference in your health and quality of life. The question is, will you use it?